cream. Oh, it's bad, girl.
Oh no, that's not nice. We don't take what isn't ours. Don't cry, kids. Look, a magic popsicle machine.
Choose a shape, kids. And fruit, too. Red triangle.
What should we choose? A spicy chili pepper or watermelon? Let's see.
Which fruit fits?
Whoa, too spicy for kids.
Perfect!
Yum! Cool and healthy.
Fruity, frozen, and fantastic. Green circle. Broccoli or apple?
Broccoli's healthy, but not great for a popsicle. Hooray! The popsicles are ready. Let's try them.
Is Bad Girl gonna take their popsicles too?
Oh no! What is she going to do now?
Yikes! Candy overload.
Stop! Sugary sweets aren't good for popsicles.
She'll get a bubbly belly with all that sugary candy.
Yuck! That's not yummy.
Don't lick it.
Whoops!
Ew, bottom burp blast. Wow, yummy scrummy picnic treats. Yikes! It's the greedy shadow snack stealer. Known as Baby Bear. Don't eat all the food. Too much food is bad for us. He's being very greedy, isn't he? Look at his big bouncy belly. That's right, kids. Eating too much gives you bellyache. Looks like Baby Bear's gonna learn the hard way. Oh no! Cake dive! Quick, grab the cakes or he'll eat them too. Ew, bad breath, burp. Junk today, chunk tomorrow. Whoa, what's that? Earthquake! Oops, sorry, panic over. It's Big Belly Baby Bear. He's scaring the kids cause of his bulk. He can't breathe because he's unfit and unhealthy. Uh-oh, Billy splat it flat. Don't go on the teeter-trotter, Baby Bear. You're too fat. Quick, get off it, baby kitty. He's been launched into space. No! Stop! Belly splash! Baby Bear's stuck. He's too round to roll over. He needs help. Come on, kids, push him over and out. Skipping helps to get you fit. Don't just sit and never quit. Pico's done her workout. Let's see if it's helped. Yeah, she's fit, not fat. Your turn, Baby Bear. Skipping every day will keep your belly jiggle away. No, he's too heavy. He's busting everything from his belly bounces. Someone stop him! He's gonna break the ground! Oh no, he's cracked it and lava might spew out. Mom's exercising with her hula hoop. Maybe this will help Baby Bear. Wow, it works! Here you go, Baby Bear. Copy what Mom did. Uh-oh, it's trapped around his tummy! Ah, fart cloud! Look, now he's got a bubbly belly. Mom, quick! Baby Bear ate too much and now he's sick. Mom's gonna scan his stomach.
Kids, it's dangerous to overeat. It can make you sick. Junk food is yummy, but it often causes stomach aches. Better choose fruits and vegetables.
Eat smart, play hard, be a healthy superstar. Yeah, junk food belongs in the trash can, not your tummy. Fresh fruit every day. Crunchy corn. Oh, Pico, what are you doing?
Popcorn tastes better.
Haha, it's pouring popcorn. Huh? Billy has a blue blaster.
Ooh, ice cream tastes better.
It zaps everything cold.
Eating cold food is bad for your health.
Watch out! Pico's blaster zaps everything hot! No, Billy.
Too hot, and you might get burned.
But you've frozen it into ice, Billy. Uh-oh. His rod is frozen stuck! Oops. Wow, ice skates! Billy's a cool skater kid. No, Pico! Watch out, Billy. It's gonna melt. Splash down! Pico, that wasn't nice. Yikes. Payback time. Billy, now he's caught an ice cube. No! You bust your blasters. But hey, what's that controller there? It looks like it's a weather controller. Ooh, it's raining. We're so cold too. Dad won't be sunbathing for long, will he? Pico wants hot sunshine. Billy's hot under the collar, haha. I'd keep the brolly, Dad. This weather is changeable today. No, Billy, that's frosty, ice-cold snow. It's freezing. You need your coat now, Dad. At least Billy's having fun with his snowman friend. But not for long, now that Pico's pressed for the hot sun again. You two need to stop! If you keep changing hot to cold, you're gonna get sick. Oh no, it's gonna blow! Uh-oh. And now you're both sick. Dad, it's because they kept changing the temperature.
Cold and heat are very dangerous to mess with.
Not too hot, not too cold. Warm's the best, haha.
We need to go down to Mommy and Pico. Huh? Huh?
Oh no! Mommy!
Don't be afraid. Mommy will be waiting for you on the same floor. Eh?
stairs. Please, help me find the right escalator. No, we need to go up. We need an escalator that goes Hello.
Be careful, Pico. Bye.
Do you remember what floor Billy was on? No, Billy was on the floor above. Do you remember what floor Daddy was on? No, we were already on the top floor. Daddy was on the first floor. What floor was Mommy on? Yes! I hope Mommy stayed on the ground floor. Mommy? Mommy! Where is Daddy?
Billy! Billy! I need to go to the reception. Which way should I go? Huh? Help me jump over the wet floor. Wow! It's Daddy! I'm waiting for everyone at the reception. I'm waiting for everyone at the reception. You should not stray too far away from your parents in crowd places. If you get lost, go to the reception. Or ask a police officer or a mall security guard for help. And never approach strangers.
Uh-huh.